Yo, what's up everyone? So as you can see, I have a bunch of boxes here from raised wheels to eye-box springs, downpipes, intakes, and I'm starting to build a collection. But today I'm going to show you a very small mod here, and it is this right here. So all we are simply going to do is replace the start-stop button on our 2020 GR Supra. If you are interested in this particular part, it's very inexpensive, it's easy to do. Go check out Speed Industry. I'll put a link to this product in the description below, and I'll also put a link to the video. So a lot of the products I bought, including this MST intake, I use Speed Industry as a reference in regards to finding out how to install the item. So let's do my version and see how easy it is, because when Speed Industry did this installation, it was super easy. So if I can do it, decently mechanically inclined, I think you'll be able to do it too. So other than that, sit back, grab something to drink, and yeah, let's check it out. All right, y'all, so we're in the car. This is literally all it comes in. So you have your starter, push the start cap rather, and then below it you have some adhesive. So let's unpack everything, and yeah, let's get going. All right, so before we start this, make sure the key is somewhere else. That way when you push and start, it doesn't turn on. So as we unpack, let's see what we have here. So set some stuff aside. All right, we have this goop here. So according to the video, we're gonna sit here and we're gonna pack it onto the push and start like so. And then we're gonna get a good grip, and we're gonna pull in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's try that again. All right, y'all, so take 2. I reapplied this goop thing. Let's see if we can get it out. 3, 2, 1. See, I got an imprint. It's not coming out. All right, I'm just gonna do this off camera, and I'll let you know how many times it took me. Got it. It took me about 4 tries. So I found the trick is not to push in and pull out, but rather just let it sit there and see how it's molding my finger. Let it sit in your finger and pull it out. So I mean, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. It just takes some time. Now all you're simply do is going to match the pattern back here, stick it back in. So let me get this goop off my hands, I'll show you that. I think the reason why I had so much issues in the beginning is this didn't properly adhere to my finger. So you can see how much is stuck to my finger now. And yeah, it's stuck really well on there. So yeah, let me go clean off my fingers and we'll put this in. Okay, so this isn't rocket science. Obviously we want to make sure that this is facing up and it's not like this. So let me get everything in. We should hear a click. Bam, that's it. So yeah. All right, y'all, that wraps it up. So once again, I will put a link to where you can buy this product, and also the video from Speed Industry, just so you can see how they did it. Other than that, appreciate you guys tuning in and following my Supra adventures, or my journey with my Supra. Other than that, y'all be easy, y'all take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.